So today I will tell you how to show COD only for country India. So I have already made this rule. You can see for the country India, COD is available. If I select any other country, then COD will not be visible. So for this, I have used advanced cash on delivery app in my Shopify account. You can also install this app from Shopify App Store. It's very easy to use. Once installed, click on advanced cash on delivery and then click on limit COD based on location configure button. And then we need to select our payment method, that is cash on delivery. If you want to add fee for cash on delivery, you can just toggle on this button and select your delivery method from here drop down. So as of now I don't need this, so I'm toggling off this button and change the status to enabled, and from country drop down menu select allow COD for this country. We want to hide COD for the country India, so select India and save your changes. Now we will test this on our online store. Go to your catalog and add any product to your cart and fill the full address. So we need to check for the country India. So here we can see cash on delivery is available for this particular country India. If I select any other country, then COD will not be visible. Let's try for the country Spain. I will use the test address. So you can see only prepaid options are available for this particular country. COD is not available for this country. So that's how you have successfully set up how to show COD only for country India. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.